If you visited campus and seen the beautiful building with a wraparound porch, you've seen Adams Hall, home to both first-year and returning residents. We most recently have alternated between a male and female hall due to the needs of our current demographic. However, regardless of which gender it houses, it is a desirable location just across from Carson Taylor Hall and shares a courtyard with Robinson Suites and Aswell Hall. Most rooms in the building were originally designed to house 3 residents and consists of 3 built-in desks, shelves, and closets. However, we have transitioned to housing only 2 residents per room, which enables roommates to have more personal space. The room provides 2 twin beds, one for each roommate, as well as a sink and mirror. Residents on each floor share a common bathroom, which is cleaned twice daily during the week and once daily on weekends by our housekeeping staff. Each floor has a community kitchen and a study. The laundry room is shared between Adams, Aswell, and Dudley Hall and is located in Adams Hall. Our staff consists of 1 hall director and a resident assistant on each floor. If you strive to plan social gathering events for students to build long-lasting relationships, join us for a little porch sitting at Adams soon.